Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be learning about deleting the user. Basically, there are two commands: user del and del user. Okay, user del is present in both the system, means RPM based system and Debian based system. But del user is only present in Debian based system. Okay, let's say it is my RPM based system, CentOS Linux. If we see user del command here, which user del, you can see the path is present like user sbin user del. But if I execute del user, it's not there, so it will throw error. So in CentOS, like in RPM based system, only user del can be used. Okay, fine. So okay, so let me quickly create two users. Okay, user add hyphen m. Let's say u1 and u2. Okay, I have two user right now. ID u1 you can see and ID u2. Okay, and the home directories are also there. If I see u1 and u2 are there. Okay, so I want to delete the user u1. For that, I need to execute the command user del then u1. Okay, but now you can see ID u1. There is no such user. Okay, means u1 got deleted. But if you see the home directory path, still u1 is there. Means by default, it will not remove the home directories. Okay, and if you want to remove the home directories as well, you can see. Let's say I want to delete u2, user u2, if and I want to delete the home directories as well. For that, I need to execute the command user del hyphen r smaller then the username. If I see now, there is no such user u2. If I see the home directory path, u2 is not there now. Okay, u2 got deleted. If you want to delete everything like home directories and all of the user, then you can give the flag hyphen r, and if you don't give hyphen r, by default it will not delete anything. Okay, so that's all about user del command. Okay, so let me switch to Ubuntu Linux right now. Okay, so this is my Ubuntu Linux, means Debian based system. Here both can be used, user del and del user. Fine. Okay, so the users of user del is same in both the Linux. So I'll be going through del user only in this Linux system. So I have two users right now, u1 and u2. If you see, and they are having their home directories as well. If I show you, okay, u1 and u2 are there, so their home directories. Okay, fine, fine. So you can see we have some options here. Okay, if you want to delete the home directories of the user as well, then you can give the flag hyphen hyphen remove home. In the user del command, you just need to give hyphen r. So we have one more options here. You can give remove all files. It will remove all the files that are being owned by the user, which has to be deleted. Let's say I'm going to the home directory of the user u1. Okay, so I'll create some directories here. Mkdir p, then dir1, let's say dir1 2, and I'll give the ownership to u1. Okay, let's say ch1 hyphen r u1 and dir1. If we see now, the u1 user is the owner of this directory. Just like that, I'll go to u2 and I'll create some directories here as well. P, let's say dir. two dir 2 3. Again, I'll do the same hyphen r. I'll give the ownership to u1, not u2. Okay. If you see, the owner is u1. Okay. And again, I am going to some temp. Here also, I'll create some directories. mpdirp. That's dir3, dir3, 4. And I'll give the ownership to u1 hyphen r u1 dir 3. So if I see now, the owner is u1. Okay. One folder is there inside the home u1. Another is home u2. Another is home, sorry, temp inside this temp directory. Okay. So if you see, I have here dir3, here dir2, and here dir1. So now I want to delete the user u1, and I'll give this flag, remove all files. Okay. So delete user, remove all files. Okay. Then u1. So see here, it will give some info logs here. You can see these are the particular folders. Okay, slash bin slash lib slash lib 64 deb, then slash tmp temp. It will not the files or folders inside that directories. Okay, these are protected. It will not delete even if you give the flag hyphen hyphen remove all files. Okay, then excluding those, it will delete all the things. So we were having three directories here. Okay, inside u1, inside u2, and inside temp. Let's see now. First, see the home directory is there or not. So home directory is gone. Okay, means if you give remove all files, it will include the home directory as well, because home directory is owned by the user only. Okay, so now, so if the home directory is gone, then also the dir1 will be gone. If I give now home u2, you can see there is no directory present right now. Means this is gone. It is also gone. Let's see now this one. Temp. So dir3 is still there because we saw, right, those info logs. Some directories are like protected. It will not delete those things. If I show you again, remove all files, let's say u2. So temp was there inside the protected directories. So it will not delete these things. Means even if you give the flag remove all files, it will not delete the folders or files inside this directories, bin lib user run etc etc. Okay, excluding this, all the files will be deleted that are owned by the particular user here. Okay, and yeah, if you give this flag remove home, it will delete the home directory of the user, not all the files being owned by the user. Okay, only the home directory will be deleted. Okay, so one more thing, there is one config file. Okay, if you see etc delete user.config, here some like default configs are there. You can see here remove home equal to 0. Okay, means by default the home directory will not be deleted. If you set this as 1, then even if you don't give the remove home flag, it will delete the home directory. Same as this, by default the remove all files is 0. If you uncomment this and make it 1, so it will delete the all the files owned by the particular user. If you do this, I'll not do this right now for now. Let's quickly create one user right now. User u1. Okay. If you see the home directory, u1 is there. If I delete the user right now, till user u1, you can see the home directory is not there right now. Okay. Let's again do the same. Etc delete user.config. I set that thing again to. I'll comment this. Okay. If you see now, let's say create one group u1 one okay. If you see now, the home directory is present. If I delete the user, delete user u1, if you see, the home directory is still there. Means by default, it will not delete the home directory. If you give that command only, let's say I'm again adding the user. Okay. If you see now, id u1 present. If you give the flag, remove home u1, then it will delete the home directory. So this is all about user delete and delete user command. Okay. So that's all guys. Thanks for watching.